What's up, guys? It's me, Danny, and Yuki, Abby,
Potato King,
Potato Queen.
Vampire Queen.
Okay, so today we bought some cards. You want to show your cards? I got
these two because I like the shiny coins, even though they're the same.
And the promos.
Yeah, and the promos. And I got the spare Hello pack, so it enabled me to get one of these because there's currently a promotion going on in Toys R Us. If you spend over £10, you get a free Stuffle card. But you have to spend £10 on the Pokemon cards.
Are you getting paid to advertise Toys R Us?
Yes.
Where's my cut?
You don't get one. But yeah, Danny also got some cards.
Hey, I can speak for myself. Abby. So I did the same thing, okay? I bought 4 Burning Shadows, right?
Yeah, Burning
Shadows. Oh my god, I can't see it all. But yeah, I bought. Maybe we should put a light over there, but yeah.
This is why I normally do videos during the day.
Okay, you got a point. Okay, so I got 4 Burning Shadow cards, 2 Mars Shadows, 1 Necromancer, and 1 Tapu Fini? Fini? Yeah, Fini. Oh, that's Fini. So, me and Admin Abby made a bet.
No, we didn't.
Whoever got the best card had to sleep outside.
We did not make a bet.
We did make a bet.
No, we didn't.
We did. We did.
No, we didn't.
Whoever loses had to go sleep with the devil. Hey. If you want to trim them down below, okay?
There'll be more than a trim.
So we're just gonna wait until this slow turtle opens her cards.
Well, sorry, my ones are in more of a protective casing than yours.
Not my problem. Oh, you get codes here too? For the
Ooh, not too bent this time. Normally promos come out rather bent.
Anyway, they come out bent.
You, the Kamala, that's bent. Not straight at all. Okay, so yeah, that's my Sylvia.
The hell's wrong with that?
Can you put Miro down, please?
Whoop! Terror. So, you want to go first or shall I?
Well, you've got more packs.
Okay, so I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna open the first Mars Shadow. Ooh.
Are we gonna do a card thing?
What do you mean by card thing?
Where you put 4 cards.
Fine. I don't know how it's for Shadow Moon. It's 4, right?
Yeah, for some minutes 4. So you take 4 from the back and put them in the front. Not counting that.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first pack. Energy. Polygon 2. Pansage. Wait, Pansear. Simisear. Metapod. Pikachu. I'm sorry. I really can't see.
That's Pampor.
Pampor. Cutie Fly. Pansear.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Magikarp. Shiny Fat Meryl.
And well card is Malamar. I think you already have that one, right?
Yeah, I've already got that one.
Sadly. Wait, but Malamar my real card.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so now your turn.
Okay, as I have 2 Holo packs, I'm gonna go with this one first.
Speaking.
So that's my code.
It's 4.
1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Okay, so I got an energy. What is that? Weakness policy. Heat more. Yeah, it's quite hard to see. I hope you guys can see him better when the video is uploaded.
Maybe just throw them one by one.
Curlier.
One by one? That was 2.
No,
That
wasn't. I did the card shuffle.
Oh yeah.
Charmander. Porygon. Molo. Esper.
You got that one already.
And I got that one already, so...
Just the third one.
I got Mudsdale and Beware. There was only one. The Mel was the first card, and I put 4.
I'm gonna open Tapu Lily. Hope I got something good.
I thought you just said that was
Finny, whatever. I'm not good at 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a Fire Energy. Wiki. Very curvy. Mount. Trainer card. Another trainer card.
the Lanka. Wishful Baton.
Oddish. Dust card doing the dab. He's dabbing!
At least I got all of mine in the camera.
Esper. Mono.
Charmander.
Sandy Simicia.
Ooh, nice.
And Azumarill.
Oh, I don't think I have that yet.
You don't yet.
Okay. I'm gonna go for a Zerktree, I believe this
Necromance.
is. Necromance, that was it. Why did I say Zerktree?
I don't know, don't ask me.
I was talking about Necromance earlier.
I don't know what the fuck is this week. Fudge. I said fudge, not fuck. Fuck. Fudge!
Danny.
Fuck off. Fudge off.
Shut it.
Fuck off. There we go, much better.
Oh, yeah, so much better for the English people out. Fortune. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Energy. We have a Seadra. That's Wobbuffet.
I know, that was Quagsire.
How can you get Wobbuffet and Quagsire?
Same colour.
We have Wiki. We have Dewpider. I can still see you.
Oh shit.
We have Cutiefly. Riolu.
Riolu, Fathead Riolu though.
Alolan. Noibet.
Didn't you have that card?
What, Noibet?
No, the shiny one has it now.
Really? Okay, so we have Shiny Togomandero, which I'm not sure if I do have or not. And we got another Malamar as the rare.
Okay, so I'm gonna go to the same day. I'm gonna go for the Necromance. And hope I got something good. 1, 2, 3, 4. First card. Energy. Rhydon. Okay, Rhydon. Kawaii and Olivia. Cabrera. Meowth.
I have this Meowth.
I got the Stuffle, which is not an event.
But the other one's cuter.
Not the same thing.
But this one's sparkly.
Pansage. Krogunk. Shiny Energy Eterna and Pasmian. I don't know how to pronounce that name.
Monkey!
Donkey!
Not monkey, monkey! Mountain Laker.
Last card.
My last pack. Hello.
I'm pissed.
Why?
Fucking good!
Oh, I still got 2 packs to go.
No, you got 1 pack to go. I only got 1 pack.
Yeah, so it's 2 packs between us.
Oh, fine.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we got Energy.
Oh. I'm gonna see Poncia.
Simipour. We have Simisphere, don't we?
No, we need Pancia. No,
Male.
Simisage. Whatever.
Solrock. Centipede.
Oh, you got something good. You got something good. You see that, right? It's gold. It's gold.
We have Sneasel.
It's gold.
I'm not letting him skip ahead.
It's gold. Look at that. It's gold.
We have Alolan Vulpix. We have Horsey. We have Noivert. We have a shiny sock.
And the last card is
Gadwa.
oh, not gold. Oh well.
Gadwa. E or G? G.
Well, no X in there.
Wow, that's a nice card.
It's cute. That was a gold one.
I think I win so far.
Fuck. Okay. I'm gonna do black magic. I'm gonna make a sacrifice. Davey, you're gonna make a sacrifice. After no. Then again, no. Lithium, no. Sylvium, no. Milk, you're gonna make a sacrifice. No. Okay.
My parents are telling him to shut up because he's being too noisy. Oops, didn't mean to get your chin. Just open your cards.
Okay, I sacrificed a foil for this. Ouch.
Energy. Trainer. Again, you might need to go a bit closer. Trainer. Can't see that.
Survival.
Ah.
This.
Dish.
The skull. Hey, don't block my view. Esper. Molu. Charmander. Okay, last one. Ooh, I did the one with the boobs. And
Nothing good. You can tell he's overreacting.
I got a
No.
Okay. Yeah, I'll stick.
See, I knew it wasn't even going to be a hollow.
I spent £15 for shit.
No, you didn't have to. Do not bite me. That's disgusting. That is even worse.
Okay, anyway, like that. Oh my god.
Let's do a recap. Okay, so the rare cards that I got were Malamar.
Did you get more cards?
The Gardevoir.
Oh.
But it's a full art, so that goes separate. So yeah, these are...
Oh! I'm just doing...
You look at me and it's fucking disgusting.
I'm doing that!
No, go away.
I'm doing that! No, I don't listen. You can take the video again.
I was holding stuff up, people couldn't see you. But yeah, they're my rare cards. I got the Gardevoir, the Sock, Togimindero, Mudsdale, my Kamala, and my Jamango, as well as the Stuffer.
Well, I got one too, but I don't want to show it. So for my rare card, I got the stick. Don't think that we have it. We don't have that, right?
No, I don't think so.
You don't have the other stick as well, just one stick.
I don't know then.
That's me. That's
Monkey!
Limo.
I like to move it.
I like to move Azumarill.
Which I don't have either.
And last one, Malamar.
And
No shiny. Creepy Mole. Tunisia. Naku. Or Lucano. And my favorite, Ricky. You know what the...
Danny, stop.
Oh, fine. It is your stick.
Alright, anyway, we'll see you later, guys. We are actually about to make another video now.
It's on a 20 minutes video. So
It will be if you don't shut up. But yeah, we're gonna make another video. it'll be of us opening this, which Katie got me for my birthday. So thanks, Katie. We will find out what I get soon.
Bye, guys.
See you until the next time.